Okay, discontinue. We'll get it, take it out. So now, this one is the old controller. So I need to replace this new one. So I put the old one there. And if we give you a new cable, so what we just to do is use this new controller connect to the motor. Please pay attention there because there have different pins for a different connector head, so you have to make sure it's the right size. So here you can see there's a little bit big hole here, and there are big pins there. So this should be for the motor head. So I need to put it together. So when you put it together, connected here, you can see there is a arrow. There's also an arrow. So you need to make sure it's matched. Okay, this is matched. And then this one is for the pedal or sensor. So just put it. Okay, this two cable is connected. And for its main cables here, you can see there's the longest one. So this one is connected to the back computer. So we'll do it here. We don't do it. We'll test it out first. If it's working fine, so we can put this cable inside the frame. But now we just test it first. See whether its cable is working or not. So now I connected to the controller with this cable. Also here you can see there's two arrows. Just put it up. Connected, okay. This one we have done this before. Now we come to the head here, handlebar here. Just move around a little bit. First, with the there's have 4 heads. This head you can imagine here is for the bike computer, and this yellow one here is for the accelerator or the throttle, and the 2 red one is for the power off brake here. For the brake lever here is power off cable head, and this one small one down to here is for the front light here. Okay, so what we do is that just pull out all the connectors. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This one is a little bit harder because sometimes it's very strong, cannot do it easily, but you can just try it. Okay, I did it. It's easily. Okay. Okay. This one is we'll keep it inside because it's the older one. So now I connected to the computer and the front light. So let's do it from front light first because it's easy to tell. Also to make sure that there's 2 arrows there matched. Okay, done. And now let's do the connect to the back computer. Here is a arrow. That's arrow, okay. Try a little bit of firmly. Okay, this yellow one is for the accelerator. Okay, this one is for red one is for the brake lever. Okay, matched. This one because I removed the left brake lever, so I kept it. It's no problem. Now let's move this battery here because the house needs a place to hold. So I use this box. And this battery is for, because they have light here, is for charged. And remember, keep the switch on in the one position. So I put the housing back. Okay. Let's try just turn around here, see whether we can turn on the back computer. No response, so probably it's not connected for me. Try to. The space is too. Okay, this one should step here fine. You can see here everything is fine, no errors on the bike computer no more. So let's test that whether it's working or not. So just pay attention, lean a little bit the bicycle, test the accelerator, Okay, break it, cut off the power. Because I removed this the rear brake, so just take a little bit of time to stop it. So let's cut off the power first. Use the front brake lever. Okay, you can see it's everything is fine. So what do is turn off the back computer and press the take out the battery. Okay, everything is fine now. Move it. So now what we need to do, of course, is disconnect it. The main cable connect to the controller. Check it out. And here, move this one, the older one. And here I put it inside this, in the hole. Inside there. Okay, you can see there is now. And here we use a little bit the small size hook again to get the head out here. And when the head get it out here, connect it and put it back. So that is for all the things. Now let's try it first. So what I would do, just put a small one back. You can also get a small cable here. Put it inside. Okay, when you put it inside here, put the biggest one inside. Okay, it's in. So the small one we can put it back. Now we use this one. So use this hook. When you move to the down here, you will see cable here. just like before, we need a bit of patience. So we can stop the video here. Okay, discontinue. We'll get it, take it out. So now, this one is the old controller. So I need to replace this new one. So I put the old one there. And if we give you a new cable, so what we just to do is use this new controller, connect to the motor. Please pay attention there, because there have different pins for a different connector head, so you have to make sure it's the right size. So here you can see there's a little bit big hole here, and there are big pins there. So this should be for the motor head, so I need to put it